Okay, this is Bosch rotary hammer drill. It's his plus. It's GBH for DFE, I think. Yeah. Okay. I will write down the Bosch part number. This number is needed to find the parts. It's 0611 0611 236 236708. Okay, so we will disassemble and check what's wrong with it. Okay, first of all, it's 6 flathead screws holding the handle. Of course, we will not need the handle, so I will remove the screws. I will try to do that with a bit, so if I will break my arm, it will be a good video on how to not do that. Okay, 6 screws are out. Okay, the handle is almost out. Okay, now 2 PH2 screws here. Just hold your ass. Okay, not hold, fuck you. Okay, 2 screws here holding the back over. Okay, now we can see the carbon brushes and we can disconnect the handle. Okay, it's 2 wires coming here, the white one and blue one. So okay, the blue one out and the white one out. Okay, now the handle will not mess with us. This one go into the box. Okay, carbon brushes. As you can see, it, I think about half carbon brushes left. I'll remove it with a screwdriver. Okay. Yeah, it's about half carbon brushes left. Of course, we can change it if we are repairing the tool. It's a sponge. Okay, now here is 4 screws with the Torx, I think, and we need to unscrew them to get our motor out. I will check if this bit will be good. No. Okay, this one will be good, of course, if drill will reach it. I will try to do that with drill. If I will not succeed, I will do that with a wrench. Okay, no. Okay, and don't make a mess on your working table like I do always. Okay. Okay, so we'll get some screws out. I will just okay. No, you bastard. You bastard, you kill Kenny. Okay, 4 screws. Okay, it was not a Torx, but still, I did it. Okay, now the motor. Of course, we need to check the field. It looks beautifully. Okay, now the armature. Of course, the ball bearing. Strange, it's good. Normally, we need to change this bearing. Okay. Here's the armature. As you can see, this part. Yeah, we'll just clean a little bit. Okay. This part, you have 6 flats, and it connects with the gear here. And how it works. Okay. I will just take some parts out. Okay, now the hammering mechanism. Of course, we need to remove the tool holder. We can just clean our table. Okay, it's a rubber cap here. The flat washer, holding ring. Okay, so we need to remove this ring. Normally you can do it with pliers like this. Okay, it's very easy. Then up, 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 up. Okay, flat washer. It's a holding ring here. I will remove it like always with my screwdriver. Okay, the ring. Okay, now cap. Okay, it was a spring here. It will be a lot of problems later to put it on. Okay. Now the ball. Check this ball, it must be round and nice looking. Okay. The holding plate. Always check this part of this plate on all tools. As you can see, it's a little dump here. Bump. So it will not hold the drill bit perfectly. Of course it will hold it, but still it's a wear and tear sign. So we can change it because I think it cost about €1 or less. So really we can change it. Okay, now the spring, it remove. Okay, it's not very easy to remove it. As you can see, it have a flat part here. It must go here on a tool holder. Of course, we will not put it another way, but maybe. Okay, now what we have here. Okay. Okay, this one is with changeable head, so that's why it's removed so easy. But of course we will assemble it again later. So it's everything good. You need to check this. This balls inside. As you can see, they must be round. Okay, what we can see now, the hammer have a bump here, so we need to remove it. Of course, it's all wobbling around, so it cannot be like this. So we will find some parts worn out, but that's not bad. Most important to find them, because it's very annoying when you deassemble the tool, repairing it, and then assembling it again, and fuck, it's not working. Okay, but I think I cannot say word fuck on the video. Okay, but I still will do that. Okay, the button. Okay, forgot to tell. Okay, just can go into the hammering, pressing the red button down, deep down, and turning this one. Okay, now I will check the angle. Okay, we'll remove it with the screwdriver. It will go easy, so don't use a lot of force. Okay, check this little pin. Sometimes it's worn out and flat, not around. Okay, focus you. Okay, it's 4 screws holding the housing with a hammer mechanism together. I will try to remove them. This Vero key is very handy. Okay, now the housing. Okay, it's 4 screws are out. The housing looks nice. Okay, now you see all the mechanism inside the gear housing. Okay, of course, most important for us is a cylinder or a tool holder. You can name it as you want. Okay, I will just grease a little bit. Of course, check this gear teeth. Okay, what we have here? Here we have a ring. This ring holds all the hammer parts inside the cylinder. So I will try to remove this ring with a screwdriver. It's not Makita, so it's easy to remove it with a screwdriver. When you remove this ring in Makita, you need a hammer. And sometimes a lot of time. Okay. Now we need to push it somehow. Okay, I think I will push it like that. Okay. It's a hammer. You can see that this end of the hammer is a little bit damaged and it's going like that. It's getting wider. Okay, maybe to focus like that or like that. Nope. Yeah, I need a good camera. Just don't have money for it, so you need to click on advertisements on my videos. Okay, now this one. Okay, so this sleeve. Okay, normally everything looks like this, and this one going backward and forward. Okay, so it's all moving here, so we need new sleeve, of course new hammer because you have a dam here. Of course, if we're changing that part, we will change the O-rings here, the O-ring here, and the O-ring inside. So it's a hammer, sleeve. Okay. Of course the grease. Okay, I will put it inside because I don't want to lose it. Okay, it's inside. Okay. What we have here now? It's a part of a clutch. Of course, you need to inspect these teeth very carefully. Now they are really good. Of course, the bearing here is ball bearing. It's wobbling, so we need to replace it. It's okay. You can buy the ball bearing separated, but for example, it's not a dimensions like normally is used in all other tools. This ball bearing is thinner as normal ball bearings, so it's hard to find it. Okay, I can tell that it's a 5 millimeters thickness. So of course, and if you buy the genuine Bosch parts, this ball bearing goes with all this AC, so it's a little bit expensive, but I believe you have money, so it's not a problem for you. Okay, the hammer. Okay, we can see that this hammer have a wear and tear sign here. It's a shiny. Of course, we need new O-ring, so I will replace the hammer and the O-ring. Okay. Okay, it's an aluminum cylinder. Just check it. Okay, it looks good. Okay, now how to remove the wash bearing. It's a plate here, and you need to remove this plate out with a screwdriver. Up. Okay, it's a plate here. It's a very good song playing on the computer. Okay. So it's a wash bearing with a spring. It's a okay. You can see that the gear here is shining. It's a little wear and tear sign. Okay, of course, almost forgot to check this part. Okay, it's all good. This must be round, no flat things on it. Okay, and the aluminum cylinder. Okay, need new paper. I'm using a lot of paper when I'm repairing the power tools. Yeah, we can see that this part of the cylinder is damaged, so we need to replace it. Of course, this tool seen a lot of work, I think. Okay, now what we have here we have gears. Okay, I will take these parts out from here, just wrap it to the paper. Okay. Okay, I see three screws here. I will try to unscrew them with my key. Okay. Okay, with no problems. Okay. Okay, what we have here? It's a gear here, almost no grease, so it's very bad. Okay, it's a ball bearing and it's really working nasty. You can hear it. So really sounds nasty. Okay. Of course, this gear will have a wear and tear signs. Okay. Okay, this one looks not bad. Okay, so that's it. We need new carbon brushes, the ball holding plate, the hammer, sleeve, O-rings, AC with a bearing, and we need this part with a bearing. So, and of course, new grease and a lot of job.